Hello there. Welcome to the moment of grace. I've come to announce to you that God will restore. And I'm going to read to you from Joel and chapter 2, from verse 23 all the way to verse 25. Be glad then, you children of Zion, rejoice in the Lord your God. He has given you former rain moderately, and it will cause to come down for you the rain, the former rain and the latter rain in the first month. And the floor shall be full of wheat, and the fat shall overflow with wine and oil. And I will restore to you the years the locust has eaten, cankerworm and caterpillar, palmer worm, a great army which I sent among you. What he's saying is this: government might recall you, the contract might be given back to you, you will make the money back, but it is I, the Lord, who is behind the restoration. God is the only one who can go back to the past and restore that which seems devoured and that which seemed to have been lost already. It is God alone that can do that, because in Him all things consist. In God all things consist. So even things that are devoured and destroyed and we cannot see them in existence again doesn't mean God cannot see them. When somebody dies, for example, we don't see the person again, but the person is before God. God is saying the person. So the same way God is saying, whatsoever has been lost, devoured, destroyed, I, God, I know how to bring it back to you as a restoration. So I'm going to restore. I will bring back whatever had been lost. I will repair whatsoever has been damaged in your life, in your body, in your career. I'm going to regenerate whatsoever has been broken down. God is saying, I will regenerate also. When God says I'm going to restore, He's saying I'm going to regenerate it. It makes no difference. I will regenerate capital for your business. I will regenerate customer for your business. I will regenerate clients for you. You will start afresh and you will go ahead. God, I will restore. I know where they are. I will replace. If it's missing or is damaged beyond repair, I'm going to replace it. I will replace your womb. I will replace your testes. I will replace sperm. The water you are releasing, I'm going to replace them with semen and sperm that will impregnate your wife. I will replace the ovary that has been taken over with cyst. I will replace them with normal cell and give you seed for conception. I will replace the cell in your liver that has been destroyed, and you will come back to life. I will replace that which cancer has eaten up. I will replace that which demons had destroyed in your body. God is saying, I will replace. I will recreate. That's what it means. God is saying, I will restore. It means I'm going to recreate it. I created in the first place, and I'm going to recreate again. I'm never tired of recreating, because I am the Lord. I change it not. Genesis chapter 1, chapter 2 didn't show a story of creation, but rather of recreation. Water had been in existence by that time. In fact, land had been in existence. It was just that it was consumed by water. Light had been in existence, but it was consumed by darkness. That's why God called light out of darkness and called ground to appear when the water gathered. So therefore, God is a recreator, not just a creator. God creates and recreates. So whatsoever had been created and had been taken over by voidness, by darkness, and by formlessness in your body, in your life, in your career, in anything that has to do with you, God has sent me to you to say, I, God, will restore by the way of recreation. God says, I'm going to destroy the devouring force. I will stop them from attacking you again. I will stop things from being lost again. You won't lose a baby again. You won't lose marriage again. You won't lose job again. You won't lose money again, because I'm restoring. It's time for you to gain, not to lose. It's time for you to gain back, not to lose again. It's time for you to be consolidated, not to vanish. God is saying better days are here for you, because I, God, I will restore. And therefore I pray for you for restoration in your health, in your body, in your career, in your family. In the mighty name of Jesus, the hand of the wicked is stopped. The hand of Satan is stopped. Devourer is cursed. Every demon sent, strong force, strong men sent to devour in your lineage, in your family, is cursed right now. In the name of Jesus Christ, restoration is granted you. Your brain, your mind, your memory, the use of your hand, your leg, your breast, your cervix, your ovary, your testes, your job, the customers, whatsoever it is that pertain to life and to godliness is now restored back to you in Jesus' mighty name. Till I see you next time, the Lord bless you.